If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. Today I am happy to introduce you to the Brighstone bag, a lavender and twine pattern. I have two done. Now these ones I've done with an embroidery panel. I'm really into doing embroidery things. If you're one of my clients, you can order it with embroidery, which is a little more money, or without for just a plain bag. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So as you can see, she is a decent size medium bag, perfect for every day. Underneath this flap here, we have a nice and big pocket for your cell phone or what you need, ever you need for quick access. This one I have done with just a crossbody strap, so it can be a shoulder bag or a crossbody bag. I could do the straps any length you want. If you wanted to have just a shoulder bag, it could be just a shoulder bag. You could have the crossbody strap like I have done here. Normally my brand would be at the bottom here, but because I didn't want to take away from this beautiful horse embroidery, I have put it on the back. On the inside, we have a zip top closure. We have a zipper pocket with overlay, as well as a decent size slip pocket on the inside. I just absolutely love this style of bag. I'll show you this one too. Again, same thing. Both of these bags are for sale on my website, depending when you're looking at this. All of my information is linked down below. So if you are one of my clients and you like to order one of these beautiful bags or buy these ones, check out my website or shoot me a message to custom order your own. Everything is linked down below in the description. And if you're part of the bag makers community, unfortunately, I do not have a tutorial on this one, as Lavender and Twine does her own tutorials. But I tell you, Erica is an amazing teacher. It's included in the pattern, and hers are all real-time, slowed down instruction explaining every step of the way. I 100% recommend Lavender and Twine patterns. Anyways, until the next one, I'll see you guys again. Bye.